So hello everyone, this short video to help you to install the 3D platform. So from the memory stick, so you got the memory stick, okay, so you open everything, you open your file number one, and you click on setup, that's all, okay. So then you follow all the steps, so you open the file, you select all the application, then you get two questions, you click on next, no legacy, connector, next, etc, etc. A new icon will be created over there, okay, and now it will take maybe 30 minutes to install, don't worry, okay. After that we need to launch the web platform, so you go there and you click on the new icon, or you click on this link to reach the web platform. So the web platform is this, your login and your password, and you connect. Okay, this is the web platform. So I create something for you. Here we got an arrow here, it's to reach all your dashboard. So you got some dashboard, and you got mine is called training at DUT. Okay, you click on it and you can get the name over there, very important, and your name here. Okay, you can close and you click on the compass. You look for an application called Part Design. You over there and you click on the small arrow on the bottom right. Okay, now we got this small gray arrow. It's to create a shortcut on your desktop. Okay, you click on it and it will create the shortcut. Okay, so that's all for the web platform. You can minimize everything, and now you've got a new icon on your desktop. You double click on it and you can launch what we call the web app, the native application software. Okay, so we will see this later to start our design. Okay, so too short information. Don't forget to go on the YouTube channel I created for you. Okay, you've got different footage to help you to design. So first you can go there to the setup and management, and then we'll go to the 3D experience part design. And don't forget also to go on the companion. It's Dassault System companion, so you can reach with this address, and you've got lots of small footage from Dassault System to help you on different application, and you can choose your application with the web search bar. Okay, thank you very much.